So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. If you want to use ChatGPT directly inside PowerPoint, here's how to install it in just a few clicks. So firstly, open PowerPoint and go to File. Then get Add-ins. You can also go to Home, then Add-ins. Now in the Office Add-ins window, open the Store tab. Search for ChatGPT for PowerPoint. Now, all you have to do is to select the ChatGPT add-in and click Add. Review the permissions, then click Continue to complete the installation. Now, the ChatGPT add-in is installed in your PowerPoint and ready to use for image generation. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel if it helped you out, and I will see you on the next video.